As entrepreneurs aim to build out their business in the medical ganja industry, some are quarreling that the barriers to doing business are still too burdensome. On this edition of the Business Review, we look at one such business located in Montego Bay, St. James. Here's TVJ's Andrew Lately.
Outlier Biopharma was registered in 2017. The company is a consulting firm which provides offshore and outsourced cultivation, extraction, and production solutions. But Director Brian Thelwell says establishing the business in Jamaica wasn't an easy feat.
Funding was quite a bit of a challenge because one, the space wasn't investor friendly when we started out. We had our checks and balances done to show what the money would be used for and how we would proceed with the project to not overrun or overspend on the investment.
But even after setting up operations on the island, Mr. Thelwell argues that the challenges persist.
The current challenges we face in this space, I'd point to banking. It's very hard to move money around. We haven't been able to get a lot of things done due to that. Going forward, challenges that I foresee comes down to compliance. I think there's a few things that we need to iron out here as a country as well as an organization ourselves to go forward.
Nevertheless, the company is already moving ahead with expansion plans.
Ideally, we look to expand into an eco-friendly resort. As it is now, we have acquired lands here in Lethe, Jamaica, to work on expanding our operations into eco-friendly tours and lodging.
To achieve those ambitions, Mr. Thelwell says Outlier is looking to add more people to its team.
We have done a round of interviews in the last 2 weeks where we're looking to take on an additional 10 to 15 persons to impact different areas of our organization through marketing, farming, as well as our processing side.
But the company has even bigger plans in the long term.
We have admirations for companies like the Strain Hunters, which from time to time venture all over the world hunting and finding the best strains of cannabis, whether it be medical or for recreational use. So there are different aspects of our components of different corporate entities that we do see and identify that we want to get there.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.